The Vice President, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, has challenged maritime and transport ministers bound by the Abuja Memorandum of Understanding to tighten their nets in the port state control in their countries if they must rid the sector of substandard ships in their jurisdiction.
At the third ministerial conference of the Abuja MOU on port state control in Accra, Dr. Bawumia said 90% of the international trade by sea and without strict compliance, the industry, including marine life, could be in danger.
Maritime transport has been widely achieved throughout recorded history, and today it is the backbone of global trade and the global economy. The experts say about 90% of global trade is by sea. Aside these, livelihoods of billions of people in the developing world and standards of living in the industrialized world depends on ships and shipping. Just as in other sectors, illegal activities in the shipping industry poses a serious threat to the maritime sector, the environment and marine life. This is what informed the signing of the Abuja Memorandum of Understanding. This legal document binds countries in the region to develop and implement a common mechanism for the respective port state control activities. The main thrust of the Abuja MOU is to harmonize the port state control procedure and practices of all the countries in the region to eliminate the operation of substandard shipping within the region. This is to ensure maritime safety, security, protect the marine environment from pollution, and improve the working and living conditions of ship crew, as well as to facilitate regional cooperation and exchange of information among member states. This is the third meeting of the ministers in the past 19 years. According to the ministers for transport for Ghana and Nigeria, there is an increase in substandard ships in the maritime waters of the member countries, which calls for urgent attention.
Without deviating from the theme of this conference, I would like to highlight the fact that while focusing on eliminating substandard shipping, greater attention should be paid also to the ship and crew proficiency. This is particularly important because an incompetent crew can turn the most modern vessel into a potential hazard, culminating into loss of lives, property, and pollution of the marine environment.
Under the Abuja MOU, member states are required to target at least 15% of foreign ships calling at the airport for port state control inspection. However, reliable statistics over the years indicate that as a sub-region, we are far from meeting the 15% target. For example, in 2016, the report from the Abuja MOU Secretariat indicates that only 4% of vessels were inspected by port state control officers. This development is not encouraging and calls for immediate attention at this conference. We have to raise issues as to why targets are not being met. Is it due to inadequate equipment and qualified personnel? Mr. Chairman, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, these are pertinent questions which I am sure will be considered at this conference with a view to adopting resolutions that will ensure the effectiveness of the MOU and make West and Central African sub-region unattractive for substandard ships to operate.
The Vice President, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, said the importance of the maritime sector, especially to the economies of the developing world, demands strict compliance if the sector should be rid of substandard ships.
I take this opportunity to call on all member states to cooperate effectively in the compliance and enforcement of the port state control regime. I therefore encourage member states to tighten their nets when carrying out port state control inspections in order to ensure that all ships that call to do business at our ports are seaworthy and operate in accordance with the standards and regulations relating to maritime safety, security, and marine environment pollution prevention.
The ministers, experts, and key players are expected to formulate a plan to strengthen the capacity of member states and their maritime administration. They are also to target substandard ships for the desired regional harmonization and cooperation of ports and flag states. The conference has the theme, Tightening the Net, Regional Cooperation to Eliminate Substandard Shipping.